morning everyone. I am Abhimanyu Mishra, currently working as a Monstack developer at a PSK Technology Private Limited. जैसे कि मैं आपको आज बताने जा रहा हूँ हिस्ट्री ऑफ कंप्यूटर. द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर इज अबेकस. ये चाइनीज पीपल ने 2500 साल पहले इन्वेंट किया था. तो जिसका एस्टेब्लिश 2500 साल पहले हुआ था. ये कैलकुलेटर के काम के लिए यूज होता था. सब्ट्रैक्शन, एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविड. द एनालिटिकल इंजन अ प्री इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर. द फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर वॉज द एनालिटिकल इंजन. Convinced and the partially constructed is Charles Babbage. Is the London, England, and between 1822 to and 1871. Types of computer. There are 4 types of digital computer in terms of size, power, and speed. Mainframe computer, supercomputer, mini computer, and microcomputer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device which take input through input device, process it and gives output through output device. 2. It also store data for a processing. Computer works with a 0 to 1 is a binary language. Like all electronic device, computer works with DC power supply. Input devices keyboard, mouse, mic, webcam, scanner, etc. Output devices monitor, projector, LED TV speaker. Processing CPU, storage device, SSD, hard disk, DVD, CD, FD. Hardware components: motherboard, processor, primary storage device, random access memory, read-only memory, secondary storage device, hard disk drive, solid state drive, optical drive, DVD. SMPS. Switch mode power supply. Input device, keyboard and mouse. Output device, monitor, projector, speaker, etc. SMPS. SMPS is the main component of computer. It converts to AC voltage into DC voltage and provider is required power to all computer part of like motherboard, hard disk, DVD writer, fan, etc. Convert input AC voltage to 22 to 30 voltage. Output DC voltage 3.3, 5 volt and 12 volt. Types of SMPS. AT Advanced Technology, ATX Advanced Technology Extend, Hot Swap, SMPS. Motherboard. What is a motherboard? The large circuit motherboard found inside the computer. It is the main circuit board of a computer. It is a control all physical device and components that and are connected directly or indirectly. CPU, RAM, hard disk, DVD writer, SSD, CPU, fan, expansion slot, RAM slot connected to it. Components on the motherboard: processor slot and socket, memory slot, expansion slot, input output ports, chipset, IDE port, PATA SATA connector, CMOS battery, power supply connector, heat sink, front panel connector. CMOS battery complementary metal oxide semiconductor. ROM is used to store date and time. System configuration. Memory 2 types: RAM and ROM. RAM chips is the program and data and CPU is the presently processing ROM. ROM chips have a information stored in them by the manufacturer. Processor. The CPU processor is the main part of a computer. It is also called the brain of the computer. It is semiconductor device. It controls the operation of the computer. It connected to the complete CPU central processing unit in a single chip. It performs arithmetic logic and logical function. Secondary storage device. Secondary storage provides a permanent or non-volatile storage using a secondary storage device such as the hard disk. Data and program can be returned after the computer has been shut off. 2 types of hard disk: SATA and PATA. PATA Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment. SATA Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. Thank you friends.